Today I'm gonna show you how to cut a video in CapCut. Let's import a video first. After importing the video, drag the video in the editing part. First, I wanna cut the end of the video. Take the line. I wanna cut after this part. Then there is a split here, guys. Click it, and as you see, there's a two pieces right now. You can choose which one you wanna delete. I'm gonna delete the last one. Then there is a delete here, or you can do right click and you can delete from here too, like that. And if you wanna cut the middle of the video, just take the line again wherever you want. For example, here. Then again split. Then take the line again, adjust in your video. Then again split. Then choose the middle one. Then delete. As you see, we delete the middle part. Thank you for watching, guys.